seven like a weapons, about 8, 38, 9, 10, max 10, the shits never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and the 357 bitches. Biggie Smalls, the millionaire, the mansion, the yacht, the 2 weed spots, the 2 hot clocks. That's how I got the weed spot. I shot Tread in the head, took the bread and the lamb spread. Little Gotti got your shotty to your body, so don't resist or you might miss Christmas. I tote guns, I make number runs, I give MCs the runs tripping. When I throw my clip in the AK, I slay from far away. Everybody hit the D-E-C-K. My slow flows, remarkable. He's too Mateo. Now we smoke weed like one of my time to slip the yayo. That's crazy plus mad L. My bitch sells from the avenue to jail cell. Oh my God, I'm drinking shit like a bitch. I hope you're listening, like your babies that they clipping in. So you better grab your pistol, cause if you sit still, I'm gonna make your fucking shit spill. And I'm talking about fucking, what did I have to do it? So that's the fucking, you gotta go take a bucket. I got no shots to pop ya, big mouth, I'm breaking your unstuck proper. Sounding on this hardcore rap singer, aka crack slinger, bring it in town. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. 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 So you wanna be hardcore, but you had me go back. Smoking on the gats in your raps, but I can't feel like hardcore or feel that you're screaming. Maybe I'm dreaming. This ain't Christopher Williams, split some empty like the feel one, crack I got the feel some. To let niggas know that if you fuck with big and heavy, I get up in that ass like the wedgie. Niggas saying Biggie off the street, it's a miracle. Left the drugs alone, took the thugs along with me. Just for niggas that can shit with 6 songs, break bones, but they gotta kill your quicker. Especially when I drunk off the liquor. Smoking from by the boxes, packing boxes, natural religion, nigga like the chocolate. The funk, baby. All I want is bitches, big booty bitches. Self right, stay my riches. Now I can't get to the top, man, snitches. Relentless approach to the work. But that's just the best thing about it. 16 shots, all my niggas in the pen. Until we motherfucking meet again. I'm doing rhymes, I'm knee deep in the beats. In the Land Cruiser Jeep with the Mac 10 by the seats. For the jackers, the jealous ass crackers in the blue suits. Hold your head, cause when you hit the bricks, I got gin mad blunts. And bitches sucking dick, the funk, baby. The funk, baby.
But the line of cars backed up at the traffic light forces it to stop as a 118-car freight train bears down.
Video. Investigators just released video of an Amtrak train hitting a fire truck. Look at this.
Tigers on my shirt and alligators. You wanna see the inside, but I'll see you later. Oh, that's that nigga with the fake. Why you punch me in my face? Stay in your place, play your position, become my intuition. Go in this nigga pocket, rob him while his friends watching. The hoes clocking, here comes respect. This crew's your crew, they might be next. You get that name? Come on, motherfuckers, come on. 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 Release the brainstorm to make your motherfucking brain warm. A strange form, something kind of lyrical. Speaking of bad, it's not unspherical. Well, in God we trust, turns out how we got that disgusting superstar something that I'm feeling now. When you go into it, you like the game that I bring. I got 7 like a weapons, about 8, 38, 9, 10, max 10, the shit's never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and the 357 bitches. Biggie Smalls, the millionaire, the mansion, the yacht, the 2 weed spots, the 2 hot clocks. That's how I got the weed spot. I shot Tread in the head, took the bread and the lamb spread. Little Gotti got smoke weed like Tony Montana slipped the yayo. That's lazy blunts, mad L's. My voice excels from the avenue to jail cells. Oh my God, I'm dropping shit like a pigeon. I hope you're listening, smacking babies at the glistening. So you better grab your pistol. You gotta go make a pussy, cause I got more shots to pop ya. Big mama, bringing your most up proper. Sounding off is the hardcore rap singer, aka crack slinger, bring it anytime. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. 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 But I can't feel that hardcore appeal that you're screaming. Maybe I'm dreaming. This ain't Christopher Williams. Still some MC got the feel one. Perhaps I got the feel some. To let niggas know that if you fuck with big and heavy, I get up in that ass like the wedgie. Niggas thinking Biggie on the street. The thugs along with me. Just for niggas acting shifty. Sticks and stones, break bones, but they gotta kill you quicker. Especially when
Waiting on the train, still by. Yeah, we're moving all over.
I'm doing rhymes, I mean deep in the beats. In the Land Cruiser Jeep with the Mac 10 by the seats. For the jackals, the jealous ass crackers in the blue suits. I make it through, but it's bulletproof. Over your head, when I hit the bricks, I got cheap bad blood. And bitches up your
That was not good.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. 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 You know the story, the rap side, crack side, how I smoke folks, like bitches on the back side, better style. The folks where my head was, 50 shots split with another wild test. The rocket launch job, Biggie stomp job, high as a motherfucking helicopter. That's why I pack the Nina, fuck the misdemeanor. Beating motherfuckers like I beat Tina. A nigga never been as broke as me. I like that. When I was young, I had to pay a leads. Besides that, the pinstripes in the gray. The one I wore on Mondays and Wednesdays. My niggas flirt, sewing tigers on my shirt and alligators. You wanna see the inside? Look, I see you later. Oh, that's that nigga with the fake. Why you punch me in my face? Stay in your place. Play your position. Become my intuition. Go in this nigga pocket. Rob him while his friends watching. And hoes clocking. Here comes respect. This crew's your crew. They might be next. Look at the name. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. 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 Release the brainstorm. to pop ya, big papa, forget your own stuff, proper. Started off as the hardcore rap singer, aka crack, so you bring it in town. Come on, motherfucker, come on. Come on, motherfucker, come on. Come on, motherfucker, come on. Come on, motherfucker, come on.
Freight train bears down.